You can't tell me nothing. Who are you? Hi my goddesses, it's your girl Empress Natalie. I am here serving looks today. We have a sultry, dark brown, black type of look today. I'm loving it, I'm feeling it, you know. All right, I'm gonna get into this look.
It's super smooth, super curvy and super cool. Not a geese, but she on the goose. Or the brown when she getting loose. Get both, she gotta choose. Too loud when she with the crew. Bust a play, now she on the move.
Hey my goddesses. All right, so for the sake of time, I did my eyebrows off camera. I do have an eyebrow tutorial if you like to see that. It's gonna be in the description below. Starters, I do wanna start with this brown color right here. Sorry, my palette looks a little crazy, but we're gonna start with the brown. This dark color right here, it's a darker shade for me. I'm gonna get some black right here. You wanna make sure you are blending, because if you ain't blending, honey, you're gonna be looking crazy. Please blend. Just to make sure that everything is coming together, I always like to go back with the brush that I did my transition color with, the light brown, and kind of just run through that real quick. Add some more light brown to the brush and just kind of run through it real quick so you can smooth everything out. I'm gonna do my Painterly paint pot with MAC by MAC. Add the shimmery pinkish color. Liner that I use is from L'Oreal Infallible Blackest Black Noir Profound 171. It's their black eyeliner. So I just take my eyeliner pencil, get that black up in there. So the concealer, I use LA Girl Pro Concealer. These been riding with me for years. And until I find something else, well, I use MAC too, but these LA Girl Pro Concealer have been riding with me, and we're gonna use these till forever. Now I go my beauty blender and then I kind of clean it up. These colors, this one, I like to mix both of them now, just so it's not too dark. Now to blend this all together, I like to go with another angle brush, just a clean one, and just kind of wipe it away. Kind of blend everything together just with a clean. So you're not looking like a ghost, you're not looking dead. Just get a clean, regular angle brush and just kind of mix it in. Clean this too, so it's not like white right here. You don't want it to be too white, just clean it in. And everything will set once, you know, I spray my face, but just to have that clean look, you want to just kind of brush it. Bada boom, bada bang. All right, now blush. I like to use a Fit Me, and this is the Berry Bay Fit Me blush. Also, one thing I do like to do, because when I set my face, my eyebrow kind of like to wipe away. So I like to go back in a little bit and fill her back in. We got some light back into her. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty, and the color I'm gonna use is the middle one, and it's Stone Cold for the highlighter. The setting spray I use is the NYX Dewy Finish, long lasting.
Super clean and super smooth, super curvy.
For lips, for my lips, I always use the eyebrow pencil that I use for my eyes as a lip liner. It's the NK Makeup Auto Eyeliner. I got it from the Beast Buy store for like $2. Any brown liner lip will do. Okay, so lip color, we're gonna do the NYX Lingerie, and we're gonna do lip 10 Teddy. Alright, I'm gonna mix it with my Anastasia, my ABH lip gloss. I'm about to go fix my hair and I'll be right back. All right, my goddesses, this is the final look. I just had to fix my hair. All right, we have like a soft, sultry. All right, y'all, so please like, subscribe, click on the bell to get notifications when I post. I will be posting more videos. All right, I will talk to y'all later. I hope y'all love this look.